Missed a bit of stuff on the video last time there, but I got this side tacked on. It's not welded, it's just tacked. But look, I can actually, yeah, I know, that's a bit of a problem. But, just like I want. I like it. These last few rods that I've run, it's a new box I just opened. I've never had these before. It's called Solid Strike. It's a 7018, and I don't know, I've run a couple of them here, and so far they seem nice. Part of Messier. So far, so good. I'll see how well this springs back, whether it's too much or too little. Well, that's pretty well loosened right off. My gosh, that's really close. I need 9 11/16, 9 3/4, and I'm about 30 seconds under 9 3/4 right there. Right there. Wonder if the pin works. No. You son of a whore. I'm just gonna jack this out a little bit while it cools. It's likely to shrink a little yet. Yeah, pin got tight. Maybe when it's cold it'll be fine. It's nice and warm. I'll let that cool, and then when I come back, maybe I can weld that on. Hopefully I can get this pin to work again. Maybe I gotta beat it. Well, this is definitely cooled off, but that's still real tight and I'm not that worried about it anymore. Alright, so we got this piece, as far as I'm concerned, complete. Did I get this pin so that it's loose like I want it? No. To hell with it. I'm gonna leave it. Really should be drilling a hole in here and tapping into this so I can put a bolt in it to keep this from coming out, but it's really tight. I don't know. I really don't want to do it at this point. I just want to get this thing together. This here's, it's not jammed up, so that's all right. And I really need to be drilling a hole in here and tapping it so that I can put a grease fitting in. But that means I got to drive the pin out, and when I get this put together and try it out, I realize I'll have to take it all apart again at another date to do those things. But I don't know for sure that this pin is even gonna hold up. Like, maybe the pin will break, I don't know. Just kind of make it up as I go, like I said. Anyways, it's all put together kind of like I'd wanted. Now it's a matter of getting it back in place. So let the wrestling begin, I suppose. I don't like that. Could be worse. dented my pipe. It'll go in. There, got that in place. Pretty happy with the fit. Now I know I need to cut some out down in here. Here's where that, get a little further away here. That goes down through there. Needs gonna have to be trimmed a little. So I decided to trim a little bit off the ears. And then down in there, a little bit off the one side. I didn't have to carve any off the top. And it fits like I wanted it to. Let's see what kind of a shot I can. Kind of dark down there, but yeah, just like I wanted. Little bow there, eh? You saw that? There we are. Till the next step.